Hi guys, welcome back, and it's Meili, and today I'm going to be doing my nails for you on how to do Gel X nails, and I'm going to be doing voiceovers and going through the process on how I do it. So disclaimer, I'm not a professional, but here are the nails that I did. I'm going to put pictures up here so you guys can get a close-up. Let's get right into the video. So first I always put like a towel, paper towel on the desk so I don't get my stuff dirty. I always put like 2 or 3 just in case. Here are the tools that I am using. Right now I'm going to be doing my cuticles, and here's some alcohol and alcohol pads. You don't need all this stuff to start off doing this, but I accumulate all the tools and all the nail polishes throughout the years. I'm doing my cuticles. You don't have to do this. You could use this with the wooden cuticle, but I use the metal one because I can disinfect it and reuse it again. And then I wipe it off all like the gunk, and I use the alcohol wipe to clean it all up. And next I take another alcohol wipe and I disinfect the tool. And next I'm going to do my cuticles with my cuticle nippers. You don't have to do this if you're a very beginner because you can cut yourself and you can bleed from it. So if you are trying to do this, do little by little. And next I cleaned it all up, and that's why I have the other paper towel underneath. Next I'm using my nail drill, and you can also use a regular nail file, but it does take a lot longer. And right here I'm just buffing my nails and removing off the shine. And this is how I'm doing my other hand. And next I do use a nail file to smooth everything out, especially on the edges. Next I'm taking a brush and just brushing off all the dust. I do have these UV gloves for my hands so I can protect from the UV lamp because it gets really strong. If you don't have any, I would suggest you to put some sunscreen on. Next are these press-on nails, and I'm just sizing them. You can use anything, honestly. I got these off of Amazon, and some other people got like more expensive ones, but these work awesome for me, and I'll link every tools and all the other stuff that I use in the description. Next I'm taking my nail drill and I'm going to be drilling into it and buffing it so it can stay on longer onto my nails. You can also use a hand file, but it's a little bit difficult, but it does do the trick. Next I'm using a bond or like a dehydrator. You can also use alcohol. The next step I like to do is putting on base coat, and I do use the Beetles. It's so good. It's probably one of the cheapest ones out there, but it works. And it's also my favorite. And I also do cure it for 60 seconds. And next I use a hard gel or a builder gel. And I'll link this one in the description as well. And I put like a little puddle onto the press-on nail, and I press it on from the top or the inner of my cuticle, and I push it all the way up so it can cover it all on my natural nail, if that makes sense. So once the gel reaches to the top, I move over to my cure light. I don't have one of those portable ones where you just cure it for like a little bit and then you go to the lamp. I just go straight to the lamp for a few seconds and I do the next one and then I go back and then back and forth from there. If you are a beginner, I would totally do it step by step and do it one by one because it's a lot easier, but this is how I've been doing it for a few years now. Once I put all the nails on, I put it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And next I take a tool to just check if it doesn't like cure on my skin. And now we're gonna do the other side. And I am watching Love Island because this whole set took me 4 hours. And next I switch to my other bit. If you don't have this, it's okay. You can put alcohol around it, but I use this to make the cuticle area a lot thinner so it looks more blendable or natural. Then I go in with the alcohol wipe to clean up all the dust. Next, I'm using a buffer block so the gel can adhere longer onto the press-on. You can also use a nail file, but it does make this smoother. Now onto the painting, and this is the set that I'm trying to achieve. You probably won't get this the first time. I probably won't either unless I have the right materials and the certain technique that they used. And I do use this little photo book that I put all my nail stickers in so I could just flip in and look for it. Next, I bring out my nail swatches so I can see what nail polishes do I need to bring out. I just got this silicone matte in versus like the acrylic paint. Last time I ruined mine, but I like this one more so I can cure the nail polish gel and just easily remove it off. Next, I take an alcohol wipe and I wipe the palette so no lint on it or dirt. And these are the brushes I'll be using. Next, I'm going to be using a nail builder gel, and this makes my nail a little bit thicker and less flimsier. Now I'm going to be using a milky white so it looks like it's my natural nail, and I'm going to be blending it with the pink. And for the next fingers, I'm going to be taking like this magenta, purple, pink, and this blue so I can get like a really nice periwinkle purple. Next, I'm going to be adding the nail decal sticker. Next, I'm going to be adding matte top coat because I am going to be doing nail art. You don't have to use the matte top coat, but it's a lot easier when you do make mistakes. You can just wipe it all off. Next step I'm going to be using is this gold with this little brush. I didn't really like it, but it does the job. Next, I'm going to be applying some gold dust on my nails. You don't have to add this. I just did it so it can make it more goldy-like. Next, I use the hardening gel or the builder gel, and I go on top of the gold so I can encapsulate it, and then I cure it. You can also use top coat instead of hardening gel. Next, I'm going to be wiping off the excess powder dust. Next, I'm doing more builder gel so I can get like the 3D effect swirls. Lastly, I'm putting top coat on my nails. And for my final step, I take my nail file and shape the edges. This is how my nails look like. They're so pretty. It took me like 4 hours. I'm gonna insert pictures here for you guys to see it better on better lighting. And here I'm just showing you how I clean my stuff just with alcohol. Just finished with my nails and I hope you guys like them. If you guys can even see it. I really like them. A little bit natural and a little bit of purple and gold. I wish I got like a bronzy gold instead of like a yellow gold. Yeah, I really like them. They're really different. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I hope you guys learned something new. And like and subscribe and follow my Instagram and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.